Hi, this is Dr. Sheikh Abdul Jaffar. I am working as an associate professor in data science department, CSD department. Now I am giving a lecture on mobile computing. Now today my topic is introduction to mobile computing. So now because this is the first class, I will discuss about what is the course objectives, what are the course outcomes of this subject. See, after completion of this subject, first, what is the objective? First objective is we can study the mobile telecommunication systems now, and we can know the network layer and the transportation layer, application layer, protocols now here. And finally, in the last outcome, objective of this course is now we can study the different mobile platforms and application development. Now, after completion of this course, now the outcomes of this course is here. First, we can understand the what is multiplexing, what is a MAC protocol, that is medium access control protocol. Now, second outcome is we can learn the basics of the mobile communication systems now here, and we can learn the functionality of the MAC protocol and what is the network layers and the transportation layer and application layers now here. And we can finally, in the last outcome of this course is we can develop the mobile application using Android, BlackBerry, and these are the operating systems of the mobile devices now. Okay, now we can go for the what is the syllabus of this course. First D unit deals with what is introduction to mobile computing, applications of mobile computing, and generation of mobile communication technologies, that is the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, and now when into the market there is a sixth generation, although 6G, that we can call as an 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, 6G. Okay, now see here, this is the after in this first unit deals with multiplexing, and then afterwards we can study the different types of multiplexing. That is first one is we can study here in the first unit frequency division multiplexing, time division multiplexing, that is code division multiplexing, space division multiplexing. Like this, these are different types of multiplexing will be there. See, multiplexing is a very important topic in the first unit. Now, afterwards, we can study the what is the spectrums here. The frequency hopping and the direct sequence spectrums will be there. Finally, we can go for the here MAC protocol, that is medium access control protocols. Now here in the medium access control protocols, we can study the four types of protocols now here. In that one, we can study the what is space division multiple access, time division multiple access, frequency division multiple access, code division multiple access. This is the first unit deals with all these topics of the. Now second unit deals with the cellular systems now, that is GSM systems now. See, nowadays GSM systems are very important for all the mobile phones here. That is, if you are using a SIM card, that system is known as a GSM mobile system now here. Now in this we can study the GSM services, what are the services available in the GSM, and we can study the here architecture, GSM architecture, and protocols, security, satellites, now types of satellite systems here, history, applications of the satellite systems now. Then afterwards we can study the GPRS, global position GPRS system now, services architecture, UMTS network architecture. Now unit 3 deals with the mobile network layer, and what are the see generally in the Wi-Fi model, when comes in the bottom one is the physical layer, the top one is the that is a transportation data link layer. After the data link layer, transportation layer, after the transportation layer there is a network layer here. After the finally application, like this here there are different layers. Generally we are using in our mobile communication, we are using in the fourth unit, we deals with the TCP model here. Generally we are using in the TCP model. See, in the case of data link layer, there are sub layers, two layers will be there. One is a MAC layer and one is another layer with sub layers will be there. See, MAC layer is a sub layer of the data link layer. We can study in detail in as a second unit. First unit we are studying the MAC protocols here. Now fifth unit deals with the mobile platforms and applications, that is operating systems. See, to run the mobile device, we require any operating system. Generally, here, because the Samsung mobile phones are using Androids, then iPhone are using another operating system like this. There's Nokia Microsoft. That is a Nokia phone is using the Microsoft Windows here. This operating systems is the heart of the mobile device. It is very very important. This operating system. Without operating system, any mobile device cannot run, because just like an our desktop computers now, here we require Windows, Unix, Linux platforms here to run the program. Just see, this is the brief outline of the course syllabus now. See, these are the textbook. Generally, we can refer the textbook for the mobile communication is Josen Scalar and Prashant Kumar Patnaik. We are using the fundamentals of mobile computing, and the reference books are there are many. The reference books are be there. Dharma Prakash Agrawal here, and for introduction to wireless and mobile systems now here. Then afterwards, mobile cellular telecommunication, analog and digital systems, ad hoc mobile wireless networks, Pearson education. This one. See, these are the textbook reference. Now, in the first unit, generally there are 5 topics, subtopics will be there. First, in the first unit deals with the first, what are the applications, introduction to mobile computing, that is applications of mobile computing here, and generation of mobile communication technologies, that is first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, like this. The sixth generation is in the on research now. It is not come to the market now. Now the 5G is in the market now. Okay. Now multiplexing is, the types of multiplexing, that is time division multiplexing, frequency division multiplexing, then code division multiplexing, space division multiplexing. We have to study all the things. And another one is one is wavelength division multiplexing also there. Okay. Now that is speed spectrum and all the things we will study in the first unit here. Today my topic is I am limited to only the what now. Today is the first class for the mobile computing here. Now I will complete only what is the introduction to the mobile computing, what are the applications of the mobile computing, what is the concept of the mobile computing we discuss now. Okay. See, and in this first unit there is a MAC protocols. Final topic of this. The MAC protocols are very important in this first unit. That is what is SDMA, what is TDMA, FDMA, CDMA. Already I have told you this one. What are the SDMA is space division multiple access, time division multiple access now here, and FDMA is frequency division multiple access, CDMA is code division multiple. We will discuss all the things in the next classes here coming here. Now, but in this session I am going to explain only about what is the introduction to the mobile computing. Okay, now we will see here first what is a mobile computing. Say mobile computing. Mobile computing is nothing but mobility plus computing. See, mobility means here we can move from one location to another location. While on the move, also we are doing we are doing a computing, that is mobile computing. Okay, so generally mobile computing also called as ubiquitous computing and nomadic computing. It is described as the ability to compute remotely while on the move. So I see mobile computing is the concept refers to as a from anywhere anytime. Say from anywhere at any time means remotely I can access this mobile devices in the mobile communication. That is the remotely I can access the devices. That means I can do the computation on this mobile device. That is in the mobile computer. So that's why it makes possible for people to access information from anywhere and at any time. That is the main important motto of this mobile computing. Okay. Now, what do you mean by term mobility and computing? Yes, mobility provides the capability to change location while communicating to invoke computing services at some remote computers now. Okay, see at the remote computers now. See first now I am say for example for example we can take generally the smartphones here, mobile phones here is smart mobile phones also is an example of the mobile communication, mobile computing now. See, I am sitting in India now. I am talking to my friend in the USA. He is ABCD, that is remotely that see whatever the another mobile device will be there, that remote that device in the remote, now I am accessing that device remotely here. That is the mobile computing. Okay, now computing capability to automatically carry out certain processing related to service invocation on a remote computer, that is computing. Okay, now we can see here, now we can see the exact definition of the mobile computing. What is this? Different definitions will be generally a simple definition is mobile computing is using a computer on the move is nothing but dynamics here. Mobile computing is nothing we can call as a dynamic computing. So it is while talking while moving, we can doing the work on the mobile devices. That is the mobile computing here. Another definition, different definitions will be there according to the IEEE standards here. See, mobile computing is when a work process is moved from a normal fixed position to the more dynamic position. Okay, we are moving from the fixed position to the mobile. See, but in the olden days, there is a landline phones will be there, mobile landline phones here. That phones are fixed now. That are not the mobile devices now. The mobile devices and the mobile computing here. The mobile computing is one work process is moved from a normal fixed position to the more dynamic position. Okay, see, now I will go for the another important last definition. Mobile computing is when a work process carried out somewhere where it was not previously possible. Okay, say just like in the previously it is not possible, but it is possible remotely we are computing. Now, final definition is an umbrella used to describe technologies that enable people to access services anytime, anywhere. See, we can access the these devices, mobile device, anytime, anywhere. See, anytime means here. See, there is no fixed time. See, but in the case of landline phones here, there is a fixed. In the olden mobile, the devices will be there. There is a fixed time will be there, and so there is a fixed locations will be there. But here there is no locations now. There is a it is not depends on the location. That is anytime, anywhere means remote, anywhere within throughout the globally we can connect to the people through the mobile device. Okay, generally that is smartphones. Okay, now we coming to the why we are going for the mobile. What is the advantages now, what is the disadvantages, we will see in this discussions now first see. Now, this is in the case of mobile computing, enable anywhere, anytime connectivity. See, this is the very important advantage. The bringing computer communication to areas. See, with the remotely areas now, we can bring the computers now here computation. So, without pre-existing infrastructure, we can't require the more infrastructure. Simply, we can do whatever the work will be there in a small smart devices. Small devices will enable mobility, enable new applications now here, and an existing new research area. See, after coming to the existence, this mobile computing, a new area of research is coming to existence now. For example, that is for the 3G, 4G, 5G technologies. Now a research is going on the 6G now here. Okay, see, now this is the we will see what are the advantages of the mobile computing. Okay, now only I've told you, we will discuss what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages of this mobile. See, advantage is nothing but location flexibility. See, there is no it does not depends upon the location. That is the location flexibility, user mobility. Okay, any user can use here, and device portability. See, any device portability also there. See, mobile devices are nothing but not only the smartphones. There is a laptops will be there, Wi-Fi routers there. All this come under the device for devices now here, mobile devices. The device portability is there. It saves time. Okay, it's a lot of time when you are doing the work on a desktop here. When you are going on the mobile device, we will save some time here. Okay, enhanced productivity, entertainment also we can easily get on these mobile devices. Okay, see, what are the disadvantages of the mobile devices? See, disadvantages. See, these mobile devices are very expensive now. Power consumption, small screen display. See, whatever the mobile devices will be there, this device having only the screen will be very small screen will be there when compared to the desktop computers now here. Now it is a slow internet speed. See, in the mobiles we are getting the internet is slow when compared to the desktop. We are connected to the cable to the internet now here, and risky to carry. This carries and security concerns. Communication depends upon the network now. Okay, now we can go for the what are the characteristics of the mobile computing. Okay, See, first character is a location awareness. See, not only after this location flexibility is there, and it is easy to adapt now. See, the mobile devices are easy to adapt. Simply we can carry from anywhere. You can take your smartphone from anywhere. This adaptability, adaptation is very easy in there, and it is broadcast. We can easily broadcast the whatever the data will be there, whatever the we are taking the that is pictures, photographs, and what are the videos will be there. We can easily broadcast here. This is the character. What and personalization also will be there. Okay. Now we're coming to the introduction to the there is a introduction of mobile computing. Actually, the concept of mobile computing is divided into three parts. The first one is mobile communication. Second one is mobile hardware, mobile software. Okay, this is the to understand here. See, this in the mobile computing, it allows transmission of data, voice, and video via computer or any other wireless enabled devices without being connected to a fixed physical link. That is the importance of the mobile computing. Okay, we are transmitting the data, that is data like the voice and the video and different other types of data through a computer only, but there is a computer, that is through a computer, and without being connected to the fixed physical link. Okay, now we coming to the first see, the concept of the mobile computing is divided into mobile communication, mobile hardware, mobile software. Okay, see, what is a mobile communication? Okay, see, mobile communication specifies a framework that is responsible for the working of the mobile computing technology. Actually, mobile communication is nothing but communication is nothing but communicating between the two persons. So just like generally if we are discussing about two persons, just like here we are discussing the devices now. There is a communication between the two mobile devices. Now, first this is mobile communication will provide a framework, specifies a framework that is responsible for the working of the mobile computation technology. In this case, mobile communication refers to an infrastructure that ensures seamless and reliable communication among wireless devices. Wireless device is nothing but mobile devices. This framework ensures the consistency and reliability of communication between wireless devices. But this framework will ensure the consistency and reliability of the communication. See, communication will be clear between these devices now. Okay, consistency. The mobile communication framework consists of communication devices such as protocol, services, bandwidth, and portals, and necessary to facilitate and support the stated services. These devices are responsible for delivering a smooth communication process. Okay, understand the concept of the what is mobile communication. Mobile communication is nothing but the communication between the two mobile devices. What mobile devices will be, whatever it may be, the mobile, not the smartphones. It will be a smartphone, that is a laptops, that tabs, now Wi-Fi routers, and all these are coming to existence. Okay, now we coming to this is the mobile communication. Generally is divided into four types. There is a mobile communication, that is a fixed and wire. See, fixed and wire is, example for the fixed and wire is desktop computer. See, generally we see the desktop computer, that is a fixed and wire. And fixed and wireless. Fixed and wireless is the Wi-Fi router. Okay, fixed and wire. It is fixed and but it will be wireless. That is Wi-Fi router. Mobile and wired. That is the laptops. See, I can carry the laptop anywhere. I can do the work now. That is generally the Wi-Fi is inbuilt in the laptop. Suppose a Wi-Fi option is there, we can connect the laptop to any vehicle. And mobile and wireless. This is Wi-Fi dongle. Previously some the two three, now also it will be Wi-Fi dongles will be there, and all the service providers, that is Airtel, Tata Docomo, that is something that is Reliance, and all these peoples are giving up the dongle, Wi-Fi dongle we can purchase the Wi-Fi dongle, and this is the examples. Okay, these are the nothing but Wi-Fi dongle. By these Wi-Fi dongles we can get the internet, and we can do the work from anywhere, anytime. Okay, now we coming to the mobile hardware. Mobile hardware is nothing but this is your mobile smartphone, that is a mobile smartphone or a laptop or whatever you say. A mobile hardware consists of mobile devices or device components that can be used to receive or access the services of mobility. Examples of mobile hardware can be smartphones, laptops, portable PCs, that is a tabs now, and personal digital assistant, PDS, and etc. Okay, these are the mobile hardwares. I will show the diagram of this here mobile hardwares. See, these are the mobile hardwares. you can understand the concept very clear. See, we are showing in this diagram all these, what are the tab laptops now, tabs now, mobile smartphones and all the things. We are showing the PDA, these all the things. Okay, we're coming to here mobile software. Mobile software is the heart of the mobile device. See, without the mobile software, the mobile hardware cannot run. Okay, say mobile, say the smartphones, say for example in the smartphones, we require the suppose if you are using a Samsung smartphone, you require Android software. If you are using an Apple iPhone, here you require iPhone, that operating system, that is operating system, that is then just like an, if suppose if you are using a BlackBerry phone, here you require BlackBerry software to run this device, mobile device. See, this is, that's why mobile software is very very important of the mobile device. See, mobile software is a program that runs on a mobile hardware. This is designed to deal capably with the characteristics and requirement of mobile application. This is the operating system for the appliance of the mobile devices. Okay, operating system for the mobile device. Okay, see, the mobile software is nothing but OS of the operating system, that is OS of the mobile device. See, in other words, you can say, if the heart of the mobile, if you can say that it is the heart of the mobile device systems now, or mobile devices. Okay, this is the essential component that operates the mobile device. Okay, now this is the concept of the mobile computing that we can learn, we can discuss, we already discussed now, that is what is mobile communication, mobile hardware, mobile software. Now we will go further briefly the applications of the mobile computing. Okay, today's class. See, general applications of the mobile computing are: first, emergency services, stock brokers. See, in the stock brokers also we are using the mobile devices now here, and vehicles, that is to transfer the data, and for real estate agents, and in the courts here, in the companies, the stock information collection and control, and for credit card verification, and for truck dispatch, and what are this normally we discuss, that is Uber and all the things. Also it is devising the Uber, Ola, now that is the Rapido, all these people they are using this for the taxi, and this is the mobile company for electronic mails, for email and the paging. Okay, see, these are the different small general applications of the for the in the mobile computing. See, then we can go for the broad applications of the mobile computing. First one is the vehicles, emergencies, that is a traveling salesman, replacement of fixed networks now here, entertainment, education, location dependent, and mobile services, mobile and wireless services. Okay, see, these are the different applications will be there. Now we go for the typical application, road traffic. Here I will show with the help of the diagram. Here in this we are using the different mobile devices will be there here. You see, if you are observing this diagram, now different that is the routers will be there, there is a highway in the road traffic. Here we are controlling the road traffic, different, the routers also is there here, systems here, that is in ad hoc, there is a vehicles will be there. This is the best example for the this mobile computing application for the road traffic. Okay, now we go for the applications of mobile computing in the traveling salesman, say in the replacement of fixed networks now here, entertainment and education, outdoor internet access, intelligent travel guides with the up-to-date location dependent here, NADAC networks for multiple user games now. Okay, so this is the location dependent services will be there here. We location aware services for the, for example, printers, fax, phone servers existed in the local environment here. Yeah, okay, these are the different applications will be there. And finally we go for the mobile and wireless devices. What are the devices? Generally in the older days we are using pages now here, sensors, embedded controllers now here, mobile phones, and PDA is personal digital assistants now here, and the palm tops here, laptops we are using the, this is the general application of this one. Finally this is the today's class. I am ending this class with the help with this, with the introduction to the mobile computing and applications of mobile computing. So in the next section I am going to explain the what is multiplexing, what so for generations, say generation of the different generations of the mobile communication, that is first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, sixth generation, and discuss about the multiplexing and different types of multiplexing. Thank you.